LabCon Co. is a mid-sized, privately held company dedicated to building superior lab equipment. They take genuine pride in making sure it is the best it can be. The quality of their products is the measure of their ability to fulfill their vision of protecting people and the scientific process. They go above and beyond to ensure the safety of their customers and the quality of their equipment.
I'm a machine operator one, which means that I run press brakes, lasers. I myself was pretty fortunate out of high school, and an opportunity was given to me by a friend, a family friend, to kind of get into this field.
I'm an assembler one. I make freeze dryers, and that kind of means the entry level. You actually need a high school diploma, and then just have a little bit of experience, like mechanical experience. I come in, I time in, and then we usually just look at our schedule, see what's going on, and then get our MOs, which is the manufacturing order, and then that tells us everything that we're going to do for the day.
Taking something from nothing and making something out of it. It's a gratifying and prideful job that you really have to have it inside of you to do. If you do what you love to do, you never work a day in your life. So if you can find something that you like doing or love doing, that's really what it's all about.
What I enjoy most is assembling. One of the best jobs I ever had. Just be sure it's something you will want to do. I think it's great for people who are not great with words, but good with their hands.
It's fun. It's nice to just be able to come in and work with your hands.
Take pride in what you do. If you don't have pride, what are you doing it for?
Thank you, LabCon Co.